Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by gathering a Phillips #00, a plastic pry tool, and the correct replacement battery. This saves time. First, power off and unplug the SoundLink Mini 2. Once done, remove the 4 visible grill screws and set them in order so you can reassemble correctly. Carefully pry the bottom plastic panel. Slow, steady pressure prevents cracked clips. Make sure to photograph each step for orientation. It helps you reverse the process accurately and avoids lost parts later. Next, locate the battery pack under the chassis once the bottom panel is off. You'll see a small connector and a ribbon. Disconnect those gently with a plastic tool to avoid bending pins. Unscrew the battery mounting screws and lift the pack out slowly. Adhesive may hold it, so peel evenly. Compare the old battery to the replacement for voltage and connector match. If they differ, stop and verify. This prevents damage and ensures your new pack will power the speaker correctly. Finally, position the new battery into the bay, align screw holes, and secure it with the original screws. Then reconnect the ribbon and battery connector exactly as before. Polarity matters. Once everything is fastened, replace the bottom panel and reinstall the grill screws in their labeled order. Power on and plug in the charger. Confirm charging LED behavior and play audio to verify sound. If it won't charge or power on, check connector seating first.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.